partners. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well, because I know I am. I'm thriving. I'm
doing so amazing.
For today's video, today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated makeup routine, because I have definitely switched up in products. You guys really love how I do my eyebrows, so I was gonna do like a separate eyebrow routine, but then I was like, you know what, I might as well just show my whole face, because like, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my everyday makeup routine. You know, it'll be like a chit chat makeup tutorial, because like I don't really like the whole voiceover shit. It's really annoying and it's really whack. With that said, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, subscribe for more videos. Did I just say that? Like, I love you guys so much, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I didn't bother doing my hair for this video because my hair was just cooperating with me. So excuse it looking like this. Basically, I just took off most of my makeup or any like dirt I had on my face. I used the Up and Up makeup remover cleansing wipes, and then I also use the Pond's cold cream makeup cleanser and makeup remover. To start off my face and end my face, I used the Mario Badescu rose water spray. To also moisturize my face, I used the Clinique Hydrating moisturizer or something like that. So I did everything. I just need to put on moisturizer. So you literally only need little dollops of this, and it like works everywhere. So why did I do that? That was so gross. I don't even know how much it costs. Let me just search that up real quick. I just checked. For this little one, it was $14.50. I wouldn't recommend spending much on a moisturizer. Actually, moisturizers are about that price. I don't know what I'm talking about. Ignore what I just said. This is a good moisturizer. I like it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first start off with my eyebrows. This is gonna be hard because I really suck at showing how to do eyebrows on camera, because it just doesn't turn out how I want. To show you the products that I use first, I use the NYX Professional Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. I'm in the shade Brunette. To line out and make the shape of my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. Pomade. I think it's like a liner, but I just call it a pomade. I'm in the shade Medium Brown. So let's get on with the shenanigans, shall we? That was so cringy. I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna look super white, but first thing I'm gonna start doing is brushing my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not even sisters. They're not even close to being friends. So if you have a problem with my eyebrows, I'm sorry. I have a problem with them too, but what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna grab the pomade thingy, I'm gonna grab my flat brush, and then I'm just gonna like flatten out the brush, so then it just looks like this. So it's like more flatter, you know, flatter than my booty. Other than that, it's pretty good. So the front is kind of bad, but other than that, that's how like the line of my eyebrows look. Now let me do the other side. Okay, so I just got done outlining my eyebrows, so they just look like this. They're not as even as I'd like them to be. Oh, peep that ugly ass pimple. I'm going to just brush them into the form of the eyebrow. From there, it's just filling in the eyebrow. That's when I use the
NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade.
Whatever you want to call it. And then I'm just gonna fill in from the tail to like about right here. And then I'm just gonna fade it into the front. That's something I don't like that girls do. If you fill in your eyebrows from the back of your eyebrow to the front, sis. Now that I have the form of my eyebrows done, I'm gonna go in with concealer and conceal them. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Ivory because I'm about white as hell. I just put some on the back of my hands. I swipe that, left swipe that. I'm not even funny. It's not even funny. Okay, that was funny. Okay, now I have the bottom. This looks weird. I know that I do my eyebrows different than others, so if you have a problem with the way I do my eyebrows, I'm sorry. I'm not a professional. So I just underline the bottom, and then I'm just gonna go over half of it and just like fix the arc of it. Yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna go with this video, because I don't know what I'm doing at this point. This looks jank, and I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, so here I'm just blending out the concealer. Blending it out as much as possible. It looks like kind of white, but once I put in my foundation, it'll look better, trust me. This is just my eyebrows. See, they don't look as bad as I think they do. Now as a foundation, I'm gonna first start off by grabbing my beauty blender. I just use the Real Techniques beauty blenders. These are the like the orange ones. These are the best beauty blenders ever. Like no cap, like don't even at me. Like these are the best beauty blenders ever. Okay, I'm gonna be using my foundation. It's in the shade Ivory. These are the products that I used in my like high school get ready with me. I try to blend super good because like I can tell when a face isn't blended, and it really bothers me, so I always strive to have like a well blended face. Okay, I have my food. It smells like Mexican chorizo. Anyways, I'm still on blending my face, so let's just do my forehead now. Blending the forehead is so crucial because this is where you need to like really make sure that your like the edge part of your face doesn't look off, because that's where you can tell like what color you are. And I've seen some hoes where they just don't blend right, and I can see their whole foundation. I'm just like, I just need to blend down my neck a bit. But other than that, it's blended. From here, I'm gonna, that sounds so cool. I'm using the same concealer that I used for my eyebrows. It's just the Fit Me foundation in the shade Ivory. And I just do like, not even like lines, but like strokes, if that makes sense. And then I use another Real Techniques brush, beauty blender, and then I just blend that out. Okay, now that I have my concealer, I'm gonna set out my whole face with powder. So the powder that I've been using is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. I remember watching this I remember Bethany Moda. I would watch her videos and Bethany Moda would use this powder.
And then we are going to be taking a matte powder. So this one is by Rimmel. Baby cream, I'm taking my favorite pressed powder by Rimmel. It's Stay Matte.
And like now that I have it, like I fangirl. Like even though it's just a powder, I fangirl. So. And then I grab this brush right here. Which one is it? And then I just powder my face. I try to go like light on it, so I just literally only like touch my powder once, and then it does a good job of just setting my whole face. Now from here, I'm just gonna work on, well first I need to clean. Look what I'm working with right now. Like this is already such a mess. Beauty. I haven't been eating, that's bad. So good. If your mom doesn't cook like you like this, sis, this is so good. And then some dry toast. This is so good. Oh my god. Sorry, I just had to show you guys. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna curl my lashes. I use this one. I forgot what this is called because the logo, like the label, fell off. And then I also use this one. I use like the most weirdest brands. Okay, so once I have my 2 coats of that on each one, I go in with this one right here, and then I just like brush up. Okay, so from here I move on to blush. So the blush that I use, I either switch out from the e.l.f. Just blush in the shade Blushing, or I use the blush that I have in this contour palette. So yeah, I'm just putting it on the apples of my cheeks. But from there, usually I move on to highlighters. So let me just pull out my highlighter. Like I got this from my aunt. So I don't know where she got it, but it just looks like this, and it has like a snowflake on it, you know, very festive. So I just put highlight on the tip of my nose. I put it on just like that basic highlight area, I guess. Do you see this glow? I either use these two, but today I feel like I'm just wearing lip gloss. This is the Sweet and Shimmer lip gloss. That's basically the makeup I have going on. Let me just show you how it looks like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for just enjoying me, watching me do my makeup and eat. Really means a lot. I love you guys so much. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe while you're at it, and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I hope my beautiful criticals are having a beautiful day. Stay crazy and stay swaggy. Bye.